Welcome for the PLM training. In this, we are going to see about different type of things in business processes, managing from right now, basically from the design, product management, and then further the business process, and then in business process procurement, material availability, materials management, then sales distribution, right up to the customer and customers need and services. Also we are going to cover that all documents whichever are there, that we are going to see how it is managed in SAP system. When we are talking about the PLM, process and lifecycle data management system, there are so many other modules, sub modules are there. You can see on my screen. Basically SAP overview is there, which is we have covered, because when we are starting the SAP beginning in SAP, your knowledge, gaining a knowledge in business processes. So after the SAP basic knowledge, we can go for the PLM solutions, and then subsequently business processing, PLM 100, and so many other modules. In this, normally we are going to discuss about the data management system and product management system. When I'm talking about the product management system, what exactly is the product, where it starts? This product normally starts with the ideas. Okay, the customer need, customer requirements and all. And these ideas converted into the design. And from design, it goes to the development, manufacturing. And from manufacturing, it goes to the supply. And then it goes to the customer. After customers, along with the customer's product, we have to give catalogs, instruction, and so many things we have to supply to the customer for easy use of our product, what we are supplying. Thereafter, we have to give all data about the services after providing this particular product to the customer. All these things are managed in different way in SAP system. And we'll see, when we are talking about the product or product design, all these things, first of all, we should know what customer needs. So first of all, what customer need is a product or any services. And this each product and services is having some data. It is called a master data. And this master data is managed in SAP system. This particular sessions, what we are going to cover is for all level of people who was going to start their career or already there in mid of their career to increase their knowledge and become a manager, senior managers, or to handle a team for projects and all these things. So this particular thing, what we are going to see about the SAP system, how to go into the system, how to customize the SAP system, how to customize our product data, and we have to see in detail about how the flow of document, flow of material, and flow of money happening in the SAP system or in PLM. And in this, basically this particular session, what we are going to cover is PLM 100. In PLM 100, we are going to discuss about the basics, learning about the navigation, about the material master, about the bill of material or product structure. We are going to see the routings or task lists, work centers, master data. Assuming that you are all already aware about the business process. When I'm talking about business, you must be knowing what exactly is a business. In business, there are so many functions are happening or business processes are happening, like sales and distribution, marketing, manufacturing, in production and planning, and in production, after production and planning, procurement, materials management, quality management system, HR, and asset management, quality, and so many things are happening in the SAP system. And it is integrated in the system. It is called integration. In PLM also it's integration. All these models is happening. We'll see about the details about each and everything in our future sessions. Let's see. This particular sessions we are going to conduct different way. We are going to provide you the manuals. We have to, for your reference, go through the manuals. We are going to do some presentations, and we are going to give you some of the hands-on sessions for practicing purpose on actual SAP system. We have to go through it so that we can aware of each and everything in detail about the SAP system. Again, after that, we have to see about our level of this particular, what knowledge we are acquired from this particular system. That also we are going to discuss and all these things. Even whatever the doubts are there in your mind, that also we are going to cover in future. When we are talking about SAP, basically there are so many things we are going to discuss future. In future, SAP is nothing but the systems, application, product, and data processing. And in R3 is nothing but a real-time 3-tier system. The 3-tier is not a data server is there, the application server is there, user in front is there. All this is coming under one. In PLM, in SAP PLM, this is integrated with the supplier relationship management, customer relationship management, and supply chain management. All together, it is put together in enterprise resource planning. It is going to handle about the financial requirements, human resource, manpower requirements, corporate services, corporate management. Everything is going to cover in this. It is integrated with the SAP network. When we are talking about the business, okay, in SAP business suite, it is familiar with the solution and services that empowers customer, business partners, employees, and the collaborative success everywhere, every time, and any time. With this SAP business suite, SAP integrates extensive business and industry expertise into the comprehensive platform, business solutions, services, and technologies. In detail, we'll see in the next all the sessions. The SAP Business Suite is based on the SAP NetWeaver and platform for opening flexible and intercompany cooperations. It supports database application, operating systems, and hardware from almost every major vendors and customers. When we talk about a SAP system, we see about a different type of processes. Okay, in business processes. When we talk about the business process, manufacturing processes, all type of processes. What are the manufacturing business processes? All processes. Manufacturing, there are so many processes like continuous manufacturing process, batch type manufacturing processes, repetitive type of manufacturing processes, make to stock, make to order, assemble to order, engineering to order. When we talk about the continuous type of manufacturing processes like pharmaceutical industries, chemical industries, oil industries, continuously production keeps on happening. Okay. One by other, this continuous production process, manufacturing process is happening. That is called the continuous manufacturing process. Batch type manufacturing processes, again, it is coming under the pharmaceutical industries or automobile industries and other similar type of industries where batch type of things are happening. But that means some particular quantity of products are planned, are taken task, manufactured, and all the parameters pertaining to that particular batch or that particular group of product is similar. Okay, once it is completed, next batch is started, third batch is started. All these things are happening in the whatever medicines we are having, okay, tablets or the drugs and all what we are taking as a medicine. It is a batch type manufacturing. Every time if you see on the product, you'll find a label like batch number or batch date on so many things or this thing contains on the things. Because all parameter for that particular batch is similar and is managed according to the requirement of product for manufacturing. The repetitive manufacturing system is similar like supposing you are using laptops or fans or TV and refrigerator. All these are all repetitive types, same design, same product, same color, same times it keeps on manufacturing, same time manufacturing and keeps on providing to the customers. Then make to stock and make to assemble to order, engineer to order. These are also similar type of things are there, which is happening in the different type of manufacturing processes. If you want any question or if you have any doubt, you keeps on asking me so that this session should have an interactive session. If anything pertaining to this particular slide, if you have any doubt or question, keeps on asking so that this will help other participants also and me also to make you comfortable in this particular session. Next part of this is comparative functionality of design to all type of business processes. When I'm talking of business processes, whenever any customer or you approaches to the any stockist or manufacturer or supplier, that time first of all we interact with the marketing person, okay, salesperson, and you ask what is your need, what you require, and accordingly that particular salesperson or marketing person keeps on giving you all idea about the product, okay, whatever you need, what is your requirement. After fulfilling all this requirement, this particular goes to the production or stock, wherever it is in warehouse and all this thing. If it is readily available, they provide you. If it is not available, they will intimate to the production people. It is called a production planning. Then production planning people take that particular task, and then that particular task or that particular requirement of the customer keeps on completing, and then this subsequently is placed into the warehouse. From warehouse, logistics people will deliver this product to the you or the customer. Similar way, on the way during this manufacturing process, each stage, each time, quality management people or quality people keeps on confirming that whatever they are procuring, whatever their product they are using, or whatever the parts they are using are fulfilling the quality requirement of a customer. And then subsequently, after finishing this product manufactured, after confirming the quality, they keeps on supplying to the customer. This is all about a different type of business processes come together. When we talk about the production planning integration or production planning integration, all these things, this particular thing, as I earlier said, that this particular marketing or salesperson interact with you, this requirement fits into the system as a plan order. First of all, it's converted this your inquiry into the sales order converted into the plan order subsequently as per material availability and resources availability, man, machine, material is converted into the production order, then production order production. After that production order confirmation, quality confirmation, it's put into the warehouse, and then subsequently this is called the PP integration part and all. Then we'll talk about a material master. When we talk about a product or material or any type of services, it should have some identity. We should know what we want. So when I say what we want, it's having a number, description, and so many parameters so that it can be easily recognized or handled for sales or for manufacturing, for procurement. So it should have a proper material master. Okay, then we are going to discuss about the bill of material or product structure. Bill of material is nothing but whenever you are designing any product, okay, when you are customizing any product, that time that product contains so many atoms, material in it. With that material and different processes, that product is manufactured. Different processes is nothing but in SAP it is called routing or task list. And this particular all things are happening in a place, in a workshop, in a factory. It is called a work center in SAP system. Okay, we'll see about detail about a material master, bill of material, routing task list, and work center. When we talk about the material master, we should know about how to display the material master, how to create the material master, how to change the material master, and that we are going to discuss in future slides. And then subsequently, when we talk about the business or business processes or manufacturing processes, all these things are put together. It is called the organization structure or organization. In organization, all these business processes are put together, all people, all material, all document put together and handled by the different people. And that put together, it is called the organization structure. Okay, in organized structure, this particular material is managed. And this material, when I'm talking material, there are different type of material types are there used in a product. And then in different industries like pharmaceutical industry, the chemical industry, automobile industry, engineering industry, construction industry is handled. And each industry, each business process having their own requirement. Salespeople, when we are talking about salespeople will ask, what is the catalog? What is the operating instructions? How to use this? How to pack this? Okay, how to deliver this? Like that, all these things salespeople will ask. When production people will ask, how to manufacture this? What are the materials required? Okay, what are the equipment required? What are the parameters to be set? That manufacturing people will ask. Material people will ask, what is the cost? Okay, what is the material, inert material? All these things will ask. Who is the supplier? At what is the payment terms? What is the account details? And so many things will ask by the materials number. Like that, everything is we are going to discuss in material master. When we talk about the corporate structure, okay, about to create this material or to handle this material, okay, different business processes we have discussed, like production people, the logistic people, materials people. So all these things are maintained in the top company level. It is called a prime. Under this client, there are number of company codes. Okay, and company code, within that company code, there are number of manufacturing plants or offices or warehouses or stores and so many things which are coming under plant. Then within that plant, the stores and all things are managed. Then that to procure the material, the purchasing organizations are there, which those people, a group of people responsible to procure this material for their company or a client. This, but other than this material, whatever you have produced, again, this is for sales purpose. The sales organization is maintained in company code level or client level. And then warehouse numbers are allocated to different warehouses are there in the plant. And then storage types, different type of a yard type that will, then different type of storages are there, and like cold storage or then rack type storage or bin type storage or yard or open space or something like that. Okay, carousels and so many types of storage types are there in the system that we'll discuss in detail. This is what about the today's discussion. We'll discuss tomorrow the next session, which is about a material master. Thank you very much. Thanks for cooperation and thanks for listening me. If at all any doubt about whatever we have covered so far, please keep on asking questions so that these sessions are be interactive and informative so that each and every one participant will get a benefit out of this. Please keep on asking the question. Thank you very much.